Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To everyone, sorry for late the presentation. So I will start first. So we are from Group C. We will to present about the middle age of aircraft and aviation. So next slide. Okay, so we have five team members, which is Khairul Sidi, me, Syafiq, Abdul Bayan Ibrahim, Rafiul Jubal, and also Nayana Imun. Okay, next slide. So for the introduction, for intermediate A's, we have list all the areas that have intermediate A's, such as Emirates Group, Etihad Airways. So Emirates Group actually have headquartered at Dubai, United Arab Emirates, which are the one of the largest and the most renowned aviation conglomerates in the world. And also Etihad Airways also located at United Arab Emirates, which is Abu Dhabi. Etihad Airways is actually national airline of the United Arab Emirates, and also these airways are the key player in the major or aviation industry. So these two airways are the largest at Dubai. Next, so the others airways located in Middle East, such as Qatar Airways, Saudi Arabia Airlines, which is Saudia, Strata Manufacturing, and also Mubadala Aerospace. So for furthermore explanation, next slide, I will pass to Rafiu.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. First, we are going to talk about the Saudi Airlines. This is mainly based on the Saudi Arabs for the maintenance, overhaul, repair, and overhauls. Saudi Arab has their Saudi Arab Aerospace engineering industry and also Islam Aerospace industry. They also mainly focused on the MRO of Saudi Airlines. And for the aerospace manufacturing, they have Advanced Electronic Company and the Tankia Aeronautics. And for system integration, mainly system integration, Saudi Arabian military industry, they have taken over the whole system integration part. And for engineering and design, there are two institutions that work for them: King Abdulaziz City of Science and Technology and Saudi Aerospace Engineering Industry. And for education and training, there are also two training centers: Prince Sultan Aviation Academy and King Abdulaziz University. For the next one is Emirates Airlines. This is a worldwide airlines. Everyone must knows them. For MRO, Emirates have their own engineering, Emirates engineering to cover up their MRO. And for aerospace manufacturing, there are startup manufacturing. This is a mainly a private manufacturing company. Those work for Emirates, and I guess also for Etihad also. Next one is system integration. For their system integration, advanced military maintenance and repair and overhaul. I think for most of the Middle East airlines, for system integration part, mainly military took over the whole things. And for engineering and design, Dubai Aerospace Enterprise and Dubai Aviation Engineering Project. And for education and training, there are basically mainly two: Emirates Aviation University and Etihad Aviation University. But they also hire from other university all over the world. And for the Etihad Airways, they have also their own MRO engineering. Etihad Airways Engineering. And for aerospace manufacturing, there are startup manufacturing, as I told you before, that Emirates and Etihad both have their same aerospace manufacturing startup manufacturing. Now system integration, you can also see that military maintenance, military also hand over the took over the system integration of Etihad integration. And now engineering and design, there are Mubadala Aerospace and Tawajun Economic Council. For education and training, there are also two training centers, the Mohammed bin Rashid Aerospace Hub and Etihad Aviation Training. Now is a Qatar Airways. I think everyone knows Qatar Airways by the FIFA World Cup 2000, Qatar 2022. So for mainly basically they have their own own engineering for MRO, Qatar Airways Engineering, and aerospace manufacturing. They have the Qatar Aeronautical Manufacturing Company. This is also their. This is also work for their only for them. And system integration, this is you can this is a little bit change of for system integration. Barzar Holdings, this one is taken over by a private holdings. This one is a private holdings. And for engineering and design, there are they have Qatar Science and Technology Park and Hamad bin Khalifa University, College of Science and Engineering. And for education and training, there are Qatar Aeronautical College and Qatar Aviation Service Training Academy. Now we will focus on Kuwait Airways. Kuwait Airways have their own own MRO engineering. This is Qatar Kuwait Airways Engineering. And for aerospace manufacturing, they have Kuwait Aerospace Technology. And for system integration, this one also taken over by their military, Kuwait Military Industry Company. Engineering and Design, Kuwait Institute of for Science and Research, and Kuwait University College of Engineering and Petroleum. For education and training, they are basically depends on Aerospace Department at Kuwait Institute of Technology and Civil Aviation Training Center. Uh, for Oman Air, this is mainly basically the national airs of Oman. They have their own engineering for MRO, Oman Air MRO, Oman Air Engineering. And for aerospace manufacturing, they have Oman Aerospace Engineering. And now is a system integration, Oman Defense Industry, like the others. And engineering and design, the Research Council of Oman and Sultan Qaboos University College of Engineering. And for education and training, they have two training centers, Oman Aviation Academy and Oman Air Training Center. Basically you can see that all the airways are taken over, mainly they are focused on defense. For its system engineering, they are mainly focused on the defense military engineering, because in Middle East, most of the countries are mainly focused on oil manufacturing and petroleum manufacturing. So they're they're really weak about that. So the military basically took over the whole airways systems. Now I think another person will take over from here.
Hello everyone. So for the SWOT analysis, for the strength's prime location, ideal stop for air flights at the international level because of the geographical location. Rising demand, air travel in the region is influenced by economic growth as increased travel demand. Government support, research, production, and training are the areas where the investments should present. Established players, the large airline carriers and maintenance, repair, and overhaul facilities comprise a very reliable and strong foundations. For the weaknesses, limited R&D, lack of domestical development competence contributors to the countries lagging behind in aerospace technology compared to established nation. Foreigner reliance, foreigner inclusion in the creation, production, and knowledge transfer. Workforce gap, lack of highly skilled workforce is an obstacle of enterprise development. Uneven infrastructure, religion, airlines, service network disabilities, and caused by difference in the infrastructure. Next, opportunities, teach leadership, opportunity of being in the forefront of UAVs, space, and sustainable flight fuels. Public-private partnership, the cooperation among the companies in the field of R&D, can result in faster development, increasing investment, and stimulate inventions. Religion, relig- religion combinations conjugate innovatives are able to pool resources and competence, thus enhancing the industry impact. Education and training, the provision of skilled training and development of workforce will ensure long-term business continuity. Threats, geopolitical instability, undermines investment and creates distribution in the supply chain. You can also check what is the meaning of the adolescent in the sentence. Oil price fluctuation may be the factor that make a limit for government's investment in aerospace aviation. Global competitions faced by both development and developing countries, the industry encounters difficulties. Economic downturn, fewer trips by the passenger, and less demand for plans and aero competence. For the market analysis, market size and growth, the Middle East aviation market is estimated at 27.18 billion USD in 2024, project to reach 33.70 billion USD by 2029, growing at CAGR of 4.40% during the forecast period. Key driven uh, geographical advantage, the strategic location of the Middle East as a global transit hub drives market growth. Leading airlines, princes of award-renowned airlines like Emirates, Etihad, and Qatar Airways contributes to market expansion. For the commercial aviation, largest market share impact by COVID-19 restriction, but rebounding due to new budget carriers and fleet expansions. General aviation, rapid recovery driven by highly demand for private travel, practically among high net worth individual, favoring business jet and helicopters. Military aviation, robusting growth, maintaining by ongoing proximate plans, especially compact aircraft, acquisitions by nations such as the UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. So as you can see in the next slide, the market size analysis chart, you can see in 2021, it was the most commercial airlines used is Airbus. By 2022 is Boeing, and then in 2023 is comeback for the Airbus. And for the another market analysis, for the general aviation aircraft delivers in United Arab Emirates, you can see the commercial aircraft is higher using in Emirates than the general aviation aircraft. So I pass to next person.
For the summary, I must say these companies, along with other in the regions, drive innovations, economic growth, and connectivity in the Middle East aerospace industry. Uh, Not only the Middle East aerospace industry, it also connect the whole world with Middle East. They contribute to the development of advanced technologies, infrastructure, and skilled workforce, positioning the region as a significant player in the global aviation market. Though the Middle East is right now, Middle East is not in the top of the aviation market, but they are really growing really fast, and they are trying to increase their market value day by day. I think that's all from us, and thank you guys. If you have any questions, you can ask.
Okay, thank you very much. Group 6 presenting the Middle East. Okay, you guys have presented twice, meaning that you can remember better than the other groups.